Hello, Precision Volume Traders. It's Dale coming to you from PrecisionVolumeTrading.com. It is Thursday, January the 7th. After the market is closed, let's go over some entries, exits, targets today. That's going to be our video. So first, let's get our risk notice out of the way. No representation is being made that the use of any precision volume trading strategy, system, or trading methodology will generate profits. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. There is substantial risk of loss associated with trading securities, futures, options, and equities. Please, only risk capital should be used to trade. Trading is very risky, but does offer some great rewards. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions in that area, do not hesitate to consult with your financial advisor. Just as the email says, precisionvolumetrading@gmail.com, website precisionvolumetrading.com. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just as I stated, the video today is going to be on how I enter, how I exit, what my stops and what my targets are for each individual trades. All right, let's dive into some charts for today's trading on Thursday the 7th. Okay, guys, this is a 144 YM tick chart that I'm just showing here. As you can see down at the very bottom of the cursor, today's pricing 7:16 a.m. We see that there's a swing point low here from a 4:15 close the previous day. 7:30 this morning, we start to push up. We start getting a little lift here. I don't start trading and calling out trades in our live trading room till after 9:30. So I start to see at 8:48 a pullback, another money bar. We're starting to see some good volume locations. Now we still haven't opened up. Now we're looking for our open here to come in at the 9:30 time frame here, showing 38.58. Now we can see to our left we've got a volume box here, we've got a money bar here. We still make another lift up, but I've got my first red telling me that there should be some pullback coming in to cover our half gap and a exposed money bar here. We've got two things here that we need to take care of and do some business. So we do a push up above the open. We've got a yellow, and I know that this zone is what I'm looking to be under to try to get down to the half gap. Haven't entered the trade yet, so we start to do a little push. We've come back and tested. Now we've got another swing low here. I'm looking for my next red to come in. We push up, we take care of the swing point here, we come into this zone. We're now back above the open, and it's now 9:35. We've got another money bar, same location area. So now I'm looking for the red to come in, starting to make the trade. All right, well, I went one candle too far in the video here. This is where I called out the open here of trading. Where did I enter is the question. Always the question is, how did I enter? Well, we've got two money bars to the left. I look to the left. We see a good, perfect 61.8. We're not really getting above that 61.8. I'm looking for to be under the open, so I set my little sell order at the 58. At the 50. Alright, so continuing on here with our video, as we can see here, I'm in the trade here at the 58. I'm in at 58 underneath our support line and under our open area. We've got a target with our red arrow, which is our second red arrow to the left of us, and we're thinking of how we can get to our half gap area. Our centipede is pushing down. So when I'm doing this, we've got a swing point up above here at 30.67. Yeah, 30.68, the green line. We've got another swing point at 62 that's telling me we're still under our money bar, under our zone, under our volume to our left. We're trying to push down. So as I'm entering in the trade there at the 58, the first target I have is 43. You guys know that I start out with a 15 tick swing or stop, and then I'm wanting to red to carry me through this. So I see that our dynamics are over here to our left. That's our cup zone where we've got no more stops left. So if we wick off of this zone and try to lift up without making our second red, then I'm taking off the trade. So I'm going to kind of slide the tape forward just a little, and we do hit our second red there with our second target off of our red arrow. Now, as you guys know, I always pull my stop down. So this is how I'm entering. We do figure out that we do go ahead and get our 30,818 third target. Now we still haven't gotten the half gap, but we have a swing point reversal. I do exit the trade there at the 31 of the lift back up because I don't want to take it all back out. We know today there was a huge lift today. There was markets opening up. Opened up a little over 100 points up, and we're only trying to get to our half gap. So there was the first entry and exit. I do not take the second entry here. I'm looking for the next red, but I have to come back up here and simply say, from this current swing point high and this swing point low, what is our perfect pullback? I'm looking for another opportunity if we're going to still get the half gap, right? Now we're seeing exactly what we're doing. We do see another pullback here. We see actually a push down, still another, there's our red. If I want the trade here, I've got to be able to find the current swing point right with the wick up above the money bar. Yep. And simply say, now I've got a pathway to get to that half gap. She lifts up, we come back through the red. Now I'm ready to enter the trade. And then we did not get the enter here under our money bar. It lifted up. Now we're going to simply say, okay, well, we're looking for an area. We actually went green here. Nope, did not take the long. We do not get above the open. We see a box coming in. I enter. Coming out of the box here at the 20. At the 20. Trying to get to the half gap, and then we see another money bar coming in here at the 99. So I get 20 to the 99. We stop here right at the half gap. So the trade was a small short, obviously, from the 20 to the 90. I got out at 99. 7.99 here right at the money bar. The money bar to us means a reversal or half the move. We don't make another move coming back through this money bar, so I'm trying to look for the upside at this point. All right, now scrolling the tape here, we actually see that we do not have a guy or anything. We've actually got a bit, excuse me, I'm trying to not roll the tape. A big volume box here, and we've got another precision volume box here. So we can actually see our centipede saying, no, we're not going to the downside. Our momentum, our volume spread, our escalating volume here on the upside here is starting to take us to the upside. So the real move is coming back into higher prices at this point. So we're able to take our fib now. We've already tested our money bar here. We're able to simply say, well, where's our last down move off of a wick? Well, that wick was right here where we tested the half gap. I'm now sitting here looking here to say, cool, very nice. Let's take a nice little move up to white to cover the box to the left, and to get on up here back to the open. So I'm rolling the tape, entering the trade, and taking it on up to the red and the white, and we get another money bar to get the full calculated move. Alright guys, I know that this video is all about exit and entry. Where does the target? What is the stop? So we do see here a swing point. Right there where this candle right here made a new high, the wick up, then we pulled back to the open. You see the wick at the very bottom here. That is a swing point low, where the actual candle made a new low there by 1 point, 1 tick to the left of the other candle. So that is a swing point candle there. So what am I doing? All right, so I'm now measuring the next move. My Fibonacci money bar appears. Our momentum is taking us to the upside. I immediately enter the trade coming out of that box there at 84, trying to get to 03. Then we can see we stop. We do not take, so I do only get the little bit there at 84. All right, as long as my candle, once I go to my first contract, gets out, I'm looking to take my trade to the break even. I'm still looking for higher prices. We don't even touch my 84 where I enter the trade at. We only came back to 88. We still keep going. We went to another green. I've got my runner on now, trying to get to 926. Now I'm moving my stop up. I do get stopped there at 30,910 on our support and resistance. So was my enter from 84 to 910 on my second trade? Well, that's a nice little 30 ticks there. Alright guys, wanted to show this video of how we trade actually at Precision Volume Trading, how to enter, how to exit, how to have some good targets, how to have some good stops. If you're not trading that way, check us out, precisionvolumetrading.com, or my email is precisionvolumetrading@gmail.com. Check us out on the web page. Want to come in see our live trading room? Send us an email at precisionvolumetrading@gmail.com. Good trading. See you on the next video.